And now time for a look at your First Alert forecast. And Michael, how are things looking out there this morning? Feels pretty good when I came inside the office, but that's going to change.
Yes, that's going to change really quickly as we move ahead into the second half of the day for today. But for this morning, for this afternoon, I don't really think the weather gets in your way. What you will notice is a strong cold front that will approach and move through our area, which will increase the winds for this afternoon. So we'll see some gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. We have that wind advisory that begins at noon for today. There's only a 10% chance we see an isolated shower or storm, mainly for areas south and east. Once that cold front pushes through, that brings us much colder air by Monday, highs into the 40s. Feels like temperatures into the 20s by Monday morning. Where's the front right now? Well, it's up into the Texas Panhandle. This makes its way south, and this will be the reason why we continue to see cooler weather and strong winds as we move towards the second half of the day for today. Wind advisory in place for all of North Texas. We'll see sustained winds between 20 to 30 miles per hour with some gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So for this morning, probably a good idea to bring in some loose Christmas decorations from outside because I think they'll start blowing around later today. Notice the timing of this. Here's about 5 o'clock. I think the front pushes through between 2 to 4 o'clock. You'll definitely notice the increase in wind speeds outside and then the cooler air behind it. Notice these future wind gusts between about 5, 6, 7 o'clock into tonight, up to 35 to 45 miles per hour. Front pushes through, and then Monday morning, it's still on the breezy side, and that's why temperatures will feel more like the 20s and 30s across the Metroplex. So definitely be prepared to grab the winter coat on you out the door tomorrow. And for the second half of tomorrow, take a look at these temperatures. These are highs for your Monday, 46 in Dallas, 46 in Fort Worth. Keep in mind today I'm forecasting 81 degrees. So we're almost going to be about 40 degrees cooler tomorrow than what we're seeing outside for today. Taking a look outside this morning, looks a little bit cloudy, looks a little bit threatening. And this is what we're seeing as we move throughout the day. More clouds than sunshine for sure. And our temperatures, though, this morning are on the milder side. Upper 60s across the Metroplex to 70 right now in Sherman. As you move throughout the day, hour by hour, notice those winds will continue to increase into this afternoon. But by noon, we're already being near the 80-degree mark. We'll see sunshine peeking through those clouds, but I do think we see plenty of clouds for this morning. So your high temperatures today, 81 in Dallas, 81 in Fort Worth. Small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. However, temperatures well above average for this time of year. The previous record for today is 83 degrees, so we will be coming very close to that. Looking ahead to tonight, low temperatures fall near freezing for our Red River counties, and then into the Metroplex, generally hugging right around those middle 30s. So it will certainly be much colder for tonight. You may have had the air conditioner on last night, but you will need the heat for tonight. Your First Alert 7-day forecast for your Monday, we're into the middle 40s, 50s by Tuesday. Looking ahead to New Year's Eve, notice we start to warm up. It's really only a 2-day cold spell across the Metroplex. 51 by Tuesday, 62 on Wednesday, 67 on Thursday.